Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we will learn off shoulder dress. Even beginners can make this easy tutorial. So I need the length plus 3 inches and the width is 54 inches and it's on 4 fold. I already fold my fabric in 4 fold. Then I just take here 3 inches down. This is just standard for putting the elastic here, and the other measurement we need here is your armhole. I'm marking here 6.5 inches, and but first I just mark here 2.5 inches the width and then the 6.5 inches the length. So now I just mark here again 2.5 inches and I will make here a curve shape for our armhole. So basically we just need to measurement our armhole and the total length of your dress. Now I just open my this 3-inch folding and will continue this line till end so that I can cut from here. So this is basically our armhole and this is the open side of our fabric. Hope you understand. This is very easy project, even beginners can follow. And guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, so every time I will upload a video you will get a notification. For that you need to just press the bell icon. And see here I again take fabric that is 12 by 12 inches for my sleeves. So my sleeve length is 9 inches and I add the 3 inches again here. And now I'm just placing this cutting piece of from my dress here on the open side of the sleeve, and I will cut this armhole on my sleeve. So you can see how easy it is. So now it's time to stitch. First we will fold our hemline of our sleeve. So this is the hemline, the front side of our sleeve, and I'm using here serger, but you can stitch it with a regular machine. So it's time to attach elastic. I have this elastic and you can just take according to your sleeve width, and I'm just taking it double so that I can stitch it on the both sleeves. So after cutting this, now first you need to mark here where you want to place your elastic. So I'm just going to mark here almost 1 inch difference from my hemline, and after marking I will place this elastic. You can pin up it first, or otherwise you can just go directly to the machine, but make sure that while you are stitching keep stretching your elastic so that it will fit all your sleeve. So see, this is the look, and now it's time to stitch the sides of our sleeve. So you can see this part is our side of our sleeves, the fitting lines of our sleeves. So I will just stitch here and my both sleeves are ready. Now just take your dress part and it's time to stitch the fitting lines or side lines of our dress. So I'm again marking here at 1 inch difference all the way, and these are just straight lines because there is no waistline here. So now this is the hem line of my dress. So at the edges I just need to cut here after marking 1 inch upside and just make here a shape. So it will give you a beautiful shape here. Again for hemline I'm using serger or overlock machine, but you can use the regular machine. So now it's time to attach sleeve. My dress is on the wrong side and my sleeve is on the right side. Now make sure that your fitting lines are attached with each other, and pin up it properly, and after that continue to the other side as well this way. And this is basically a U type of shape that we are going to stitch here. And see, this line we need to stitch here. Guys, if this video is useful for you, please don't forget to hit the like button. It will really help me to grow on channel. So here we need to fold this neckline for the elastic. I'm folding it 3 inches because we keep it here 3 inches extra. So just keep folding and keep pressing here all the way till your sleeves as well. And now it's time to mark here. So first I just mark here at 1 inch, and all the way I will stitch here the 1 inch. This is the designing part, and the rest part is for the elastic. So again I will fold it and stitch it, and just leave almost 2 inches open so that we can insert elastic here. Hope you understand. Guys, if you are an absolute beginner, you can check on my playlist. I already created a complete course for beginners. So here we need to measure our elastic something like this, and then I just putting this elastic in this second stitching line, and all the way. After that I will just stitch these edges, and after stitching, now it's time to make a belt. This is optional. If you want a belt on your waist, it will really look very beautiful. So you can just take double of your or double or triple of your waist, so it's depend how long you want your belt, and stitch it something like this. Hope guys this tutorial is very useful for you. This is the final look. Please subscribe and thumb up. Thank you.